Hi friends, today I'm going to be showing you a wonderful chicken Semiya recipe. This is a perfect weekend tiffin or a brunch item. I've used fresh rice noodles or rice hoppers for this recipe. You can also prepare this with dried rice hoppers, dried rice Semiya, which is available in packet form. You can use that as well. If you cannot find the fresh idiyappams, you can use regular rice Semiya, which is in a dry format. You can cook that and you can use it. This recipe has turned out really good. I'll post the detailed recipe along with measurements on my blog. Blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video. Now let's get started, friends. I have laid out all the ingredients for chicken Semiya. Over here I have boneless chicken. This is chicken breast. About 300 grams. I've chopped it into tiny pieces and reserved it. Washed it thrice and reserved it in a colander, allowing all the excess moisture to drain out. And this is some ingredients that I've reserved. Please prepare this ginger and garlic paste as my previous video. I'll post a link in the description box below this video. I've posted a recipe for basics of Indian cooking, like how we prepare ginger and garlic paste. I'll post a link in the description box below this video. So please follow that and prepare it ahead of time. We also need curry leaves, chopped tomato, onion, chilies. And for the masala we require chicken tandoori chicken masala, kitchen king masala, turmeric powder, chili powder, and this is shahi jeera. If you don't have shahi jeera, please use regular jeera. And freshly made idiyappam or rice Semiya. This is freshly made idiyappam which I bought it from Baswangudi. If you can find it, please use the fresh rice hoppers, or else you can use the dried ones as well. Now let's get started. I've heated a pan with ghee and oil, friends. I'm going to start preparing a chicken masala for the Semiya. Now all the ingredients and measurements will be listed in my blog. Blog link will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video. Once the oil and ghee is heated, I've added the cumin seeds, allowed it to splatter well. Then I've added the chilies, chopped onion, tomato, curry leaves and ginger garlic paste. I'm going to fry it thoroughly in the oil. To turn transparent, it has to break down, and the tomato has to break down. So once both the ingredients have fried thoroughly, I'll show you the next step. The onion and tomato has fried down. Now I'll be adding the masala and the chicken and I'll fry it. First I'll be adding the masala, fry the masala till the raw flavor has gone, then add the chicken. Now I've added the chicken. Since this is chicken breast meat, it will tend to dry fast. So I'm going to add water and salt only for the chicken, and I'm going to cook the chicken till it's tender. It will take about 10 minutes to cook. So I'll add a little bit of water and salt and cook it. This and allow the chicken to cook. Now this chicken has cooked, friends. I'm just going to add the rice saver and allow this to steam cook in this juices itself, and it will absorb all the juices. It will be very tasty. So I'm just going to add the fresh rice saver or the idiyappam on top of it and cover it and allow it to steam cook. On top, friends, and allow this to steam cook in the juices itself. This will take roughly about 5 minutes. I've covered this and steam cooked it. It's nice and soft at this moment. It's nice and very tender and soft. I'm just going to mix it with the chicken, garnish it with lime juice and coriander, and serve it up. Less, adjust the salt as per your taste and serve it up. It's ready otherwise. I've served this chicken survey, friends. It's a perfect weekend brunch item. You can prepare this in no time. It's a wonderful dish. It's quite filling. The recipe in detail will be on my blog. Blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All the links will be in the description box below this video. If you enjoyed watching this recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. The same recipe is also posted in YouTube Tamil. I'll post my YouTube Tamil link also in the description box below this video. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.